ducky. How you doing? They're talking to me and hissing and wagging their tail. There's the 3 males in front and the 3 females in the back, all being very friendly and talkative. Do you want to come out here in the sunshine where we see you better? Come on out. They're following me out. And talking and talking. This is the Mr. Leader. One has a gray head. This is the gray head. They're so close to me I could touch them so easily. Here's Mrs. Ducks. They're going to eat the grass I brought. I wish the sun was behind me instead of front of me. Oh, that's better. Well, I sure hope Annika likes my ducks. They're so talkative. Okay, this one is right here touching my knee when I'm sitting on the grass. Can you hear them hissing? Hiss, 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 hiss. I think they're gonna bite me. But they never have before. Oh. They're getting their, what they call their wattles or whatever. Caruncles. Caruncles. Muscovy ducks get caruncles. They're losing interest in me because I'm not really giving them anything to eat today. This one here is very interested in what I have for him. But I really don't have anything for you, Mr. Duck.